And concerning safety of journalists, especially those going to waterways, I've told them carry your life vests, and because most of the boats, especially this period of rush, might not have enough life vests to give to everyone. So there's need for journalists, especially the media outfits, to provide life vests for their reporters and cameramen who will be going to cover elections in the creeks and the waterways. And for those who will even cover the motorable areas, I've told them don't attach yourself to a politician, because any attack on that politician might rub off on you as a journalist. Always make them know you are there to cover everyone but not to cover one person. Be factual, be neutral wherever you are. That way you'll be safe. And for those political actors and their supporters, if any journalist get hurt in any community, like I always say, that community will be blacklisted from their king to the least person, including every politician from that community will blacklist them. So it is hoped that every community, CDC, youth president, political actors, that they should protect every journalist, every single journalist that will be in their communities. We are not there for one person, we are there for everybody. So if anything happens to any journalist, automatically that community will be blacklisted for a period of time.